Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage web hosting with Bluehost step by step clearly. To manage web hosting with Bluehost, first, visit the Bluehost homepage. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your domain name and password, then click login. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Bluehost dashboard. On the left side, locate the hosting section and click on it. You will see an overview of your hosting plans and their features. To access your website files, select File Manager under the Site section. In the File Manager, you can upload, edit, or delete files as needed. To manage your databases, click on Databases in the left menu. From here, you can create new databases or manage existing ones. To set up email accounts, navigate to the Email section. Click on Create to add a new email address associated with your domain. Fill in the required fields and click Create Account. For website backups, go to the Site section and select Backup. You can choose to create a manual backup or schedule automatic backups. To manage domain settings, click on Domains in the left sidebar. Here, you can add new domains or manage existing ones. If you want to install a new application, such as WordPress, click on My Sites. Select Add Site and follow the prompts to install your desired application. To monitor website performance, go to the Metrics section. You can check statistics for visits, bandwidth usage, and other important metrics. If you encounter any issues, the Support section offers access to customer service. Use the knowledge base or chat support for immediate assistance. Finally, remember to log out of your account when you finish managing your hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.